topic of this webinar. Lip filler. Lip filler is one of the most popular treatments in aesthetic medicine, but the new trend in this technique are represented by Russian lip technique. Before talking Russian lip, I want to introduce you the product that will be the object of this webinar, our filler, Opera 2 and Opera 3. These are part of a group of new products that give us the possibility to use different products for treat different indications, so to obtain a tailored treatment for our patient. These are the filler I was talking about, Opera 1, Opera 2, Opera 3, Opera 4, and Opera 5. Different references for different indications, because Opera 1 is studied for fine line, Opera 2 is specific for lip treatment, Opera 3 is a sort of jolly for treating any kind of wrinkles, Opera 4 is useful for reaching a biggest volume in the face, and Opera 5 is a new product for treating body depression. For treating the mouth, the specific products are Opera 2 and Opera 3. Between these two products, Opera 2 is ideal for obtaining a natural look for treating lips. Other indications are for treating forehead aesthetic after Botox, for improving nose aesthetic, and for treating fine nasolabial wrinkles. This product is present on market in packaging of 1 ml with its own syringe, has a concentration of 22 milligrams per ml, and you have a gauge of 27 needles. The duration inside the body is almost 4 to 6 months. For obtaining the biggest volume, we can use Opera 3. That is designed for treating all the wrinkles of the face, so you can treat temples area, you can treat nasogenic wrinkles, you can treat marionette line, and of course you can treat the lips for obtaining a more dramatic look. This filler is present with a syringe of 1 ml with a concentration of 24 milligrams, a needle of 27 gauge, and reach a duration inside the body of 6 months. But go back to the topic of this webinar, lip. Nowadays, plump lips are very popular, but why it's so important, the lip inside the face? Lips, of course, arouse a sensitivity of sensuality and passion. So, bettering lips, you can better every female face. But talking about harmony and geometry, what would be the ideal proportion between upper and lower lip inside the female face? This study published on 2017 in California, made by University of California, showed that after different studies, the best geometry is and the best harmony in the face is obtained in this case when the study reached an enlargement of 50% of the mouth, obtaining a proportion between upper and lower lip of 1.2. This study, in a certain way, contradicts the golden ratio of Phidias, that is the Italian way of treating mouth. Because according to the golden ratio of Phidia, the harmony between the parts is given by the ratio of 1 to 1.72. So upper lip ratio to lower lip is 1 to 1.72. So how can we improve face and lip harmony? Of course, treating all the volume of the mouth inside the face and treating the proportion between upper and lower lip. How can we do it? Doing lip filler. As you know, lip filler is one of the most important, most popular procedure inside the aesthetic medicine. It permits us to give changes in the face, giving volume, filling wrinkles, or modifying, shaping the contour of the lips, obtaining a natural look or a dramatic one according to patient request. You can treat all the part of the mouth. You can better Cupid's bow. You can better the vermilion, the border of the lip, bettering, of course, the barcode. You can improve and increase the volume of the tuberculous. How can we do it? Using classic technique. And you know that classic technique are a simple linear injection with retrograde extrusion of the hyaluronic acid up to obtain the desired geometry, the desired profile of the mouth. But the most popular, the most newest trend are the Russian technique. In these pictures, you can see that the injection technique is completely different between the classical one, because the injection are made along the entire edge of the vermilion, going perpendicularly to the long axis of the lip. Generally, you have to do multiple injections in order to in order to obtain an improving in Cupid's bow, in the philtrum, and in the volume of the lips without enlarge too much in a sagittal view. For showing this, I'm going to show some photos, some pictures. In this photo, you can see one of the most beautiful results in using Russian technique. In this new picture, you can see the results of a Russian technique in a front point of view. And in the last, you can see in a sagittal view, approaching so the natural look of this technique. But stop talking. And let's start with the live session. Now we have a little pause just for preparing our patients, almost 5 minutes. So see you soon.